Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to this video on the art of communicating effectively, tips for relationships. Communication is an essential part of any healthy relationship. It is how we connect with others, express our needs and wants, and resolve conflicts. However, communication can also be a source of frustration and tension if we don't do it effectively. In this video, we will explore some tips for improving your communication skills and strengthening your relationships. First, let's talk about active listening. This means fully focusing on what the other person is saying, without interrupting or getting distracted. It's important to give the other person your undivided attention, and show that you are listening through nonverbal cues like nodding and maintaining eye contact. Another key element of effective communication is using I statements. Instead of saying, "You always do this," try saying, "I feel hurt when you do this." This helps to express your own feelings and needs, rather than attacking the other person. It's also important to be open and honest in your communication. Avoiding difficult conversations or withholding information can cause problems in the long run. It's okay to disagree with someone, but it's important to do so respectfully and with a willingness to compromise. Another tip is to try to understand the other person's perspective. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. When we can see things from the other person's point of view, it can help to bridge any communication gaps and find common ground. Effective communication also involves setting boundaries. It's important to let the other person know what you are and are not comfortable with, and to respect the boundaries of others. Finally, make sure to take breaks and take care of yourself. Communication can be emotionally draining, and it's important to give yourself time to recharge. In summary, effective communication is essential for any healthy relationship. It involves active listening, using I statements, being open and honest, understanding the other person's perspective, setting boundaries, and taking care of yourself. By implementing these tips, you can improve your communication skills and strengthen your relationships. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.